my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Around 254, man. Bring y'all an update on this here boxes from UMI Performance. So these were purchased for the C10 to be able to lower it so that we be good to go. The drop kit and the transfer kit. Actually, let me show you. Over here on the board, the drop kit and the trans leak are the two last things that we have to worry about for the C10. Deadline is August. Like I said, I could probably bump it up. Probably could be done in the weekend, etc., etc. I don't know. We'll find out. We will find out. So I'm gonna just open up and show you what we got as far as the parts as we prepare to go down that road. So there is so it's two packages. It's 6410 and 6411. I ordered this shit so long ago, I don't even remember what it is it's supposed to do. Got it all packed in there. But one thing about the parts that come from the United States, they do come with directions. So we got us a UMI sticker. UMI, there's a problem with your item, please do not return them to the retail store. Call UMI Tech Performance or email them number and all that good stuff there. So this is for the rear shock relocation. Alright, so I guess it comes with a couple brackets. Yeah, all these technically, well, I guess for the purpose, but you see how much space it actually takes up in a box? Like, this could have been so much smaller, but that's kind of why I'm going through it. So yeah, I believe, yeah, so this is the shock relocation kit, or the rear shock relocation, so that you can relocate the shocks after you install this one, the 6410. This one looked like it might have been packed to its fullest potential, but we'll soon find out. Alright, so more paper. Yeah, all this shit could have been in the same box. So this is the 6410 is the rear axle flip kit from UMI, and then to go along with it, you need that UMI rear shock relocation kit. I forgot what for, but you need it. You need it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the little children are gonna go in the same box. Relocation kit and the actual flip kit alike, and that's gonna be able to flip and drop the rear end of the truck. I want to say it's like 6 or 7 inches. It's good times. Or so they say. we'll get rid of that. Like I said, we can kind of get rid of some of this stuff, and then I can put this whole flip kit stuff, I can put this in the truck. That way it's with the vehicle that it needs to be with, and then nothing gets lost, misplaced, none of that. So, I mean, nothing was doing it over here, but it's just been real dusty. We're just doing all the paint and the body work, and I'm just like, yo, I need to go through these things. I need to put this information out there. Like, it's no reason not to. So yeah, that's where we at with that. So that's gonna take care of the rear. Now for the front, this is what we got. Yeah. So these are what are these? What are those? I just thought about it though. So for the axle flip kit, being that it is going to lower whatever is going to lower, I'm now curious about, I guess, the shock length. Do I use the same shocks? I'm pretty sure it has reading. Not reading. I'm pretty sure that it has directions or something on the website. I'm pretty sure that I did my due diligence when I originally ordered this stuff. But like I said, it's been so long. So now I'm just trying to reevaluate what I have, what needs to be done, etc., etc. So, no further ado, as you can see, these are CPP shock absorbers. I want to say I ordered these from Summit, but I can't be 100% sure. Cannot. Anyway, these are for the front. So, and instead of doing drop spindles, then what other option is it? Well, let me show you. So in the event that you choose to not go with drop spindles, these are drop springs. These drop springs, I was trying to, I think the part number on these are FCS6102-3. So that should be 3-inch drop springs. So I got a set of those, and then these, I should or do truly believe that these are the shock absorbers that go with them. Let's take a look. Loop. These should be those. So, yeah, put the little sleeve in there, the bolts go where the bolt go, and whoop-de-doo. But this would be the correct shock for that 3-inch. And it's gonna bring the truck down. It's gonna bring the truck down. So 3 inches in the front. Let me see. Alright. So looking at this email, let's see. So this was back August of last year. I asked them about the shock length for that flip kit. They said with the relocation hardware, I should be able to use any stock length shock. So so we're good with that. Let's see. I did want to read you some stuff out the UMI website. So the 6411, like I said, which is we know is the relocation kit or the shock relocation kit, and the C10 or the 6410 is the flip kit, and then the shock relocation kit is the 6411. So the GM C10 flip kit. So the UMI performance part number 6410 flip kit lowers the rear of the truck 6 inches by relocating the axle above the leaf spring. Saddle bracket moves the rear axle rearward to keep the wheel centered in the wheel well. The lower leaf plate is seriously strong and features laser cut 1/4 inch steel clamped by extra heavy duty U-bolts. Kit complete with brackets, standoffs, U-bolts, and bump stops. Lowers rear truck 6 inches. So 6 inches in the back is what we're looking at for that. It says you have to pair it with the 6411 shock relocation kit, which by description says provides a proven mounting solution for stock lens shocks on flip lower vehicles. Used to mount factoryless shocks on lower vehicles. Blah blah blah. Recommended for use with the 6410. So yeah, homework was done. I ordered everything that I need. And then to confirm, I reached out to them through an email, and they said that that's what I need. So if you're thinking about flipping or dropping the back of your C10, then that's how much. That's what you're gonna need. So 6 inches. It's gonna drop it that much in the back, and then in the front we got 3 inches. So let's go. I know that a lot of people do like 5/7s. I didn't want to be like over the top, so let's go out here. Go out here and look and see what we got. As y'all know, I also expressed not wanting to go crazy. So yeah. If the back of this damn bed comes down 6 inches, that's gonna be perfect. That's gonna sit it right on the wheel. So we should be good there. Still can probably put a bigger tire on there, and then in the front, it's only gonna bring it down 3 inches. So, I don't know. Maybe, like I said, if coming down that much in the back should be good. In the front, probably want to put some bigger tires on there, just a little bit. Or maybe that 3 inches will make it to where it just doesn't look as bad. Then the truck will sit like right here, which is not as high. The gap won't be as big, and that's what we shooting for. But in the back, like it should be crazy, according to these measurements with a ruler or a tape measure. So yeah, 6 in the back, 3 in the front, and that should put our C10 where we want it to be. So like I said, CPP, you need to shorten part number right there, CPP M1200. I want to say they came in a kit. I want to say this was a kit. 3-inch springs and shocks. Then the actual shock number, this one right here, FCS 6102-3. I'm trying to go lower 3 inches. So I think we're gonna be good with that. It'll be fine with me. It'll be sitting exactly where I want to. And then the last thing we'll have to do is take care of that damn leak, which I'm probably gonna get ready to flip the car around or flip the truck around, fill it up with the transmission fluid, and then try to find out exactly where it is that it is leaking from. So yeah, man, until next time, it's your boy LSR254. Identify your weaknesses, make you strong, wipe down by choice of choose lives, and productivity or procrastination. And remember that hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.